Let us answer a word problem related with accuracy and precision. Here we have 4 students measuring the mass of a metal, and these are their measurements. We have 4 students. To be sure, each student have repeated their measurements 3 more times. Of course, it's important to repeat our measurements since our measurements can be affected by random errors. Random errors are always present in every measurement, but we can reduce them by repeating the measurement and then getting the average of all the measurements. Let us say the actual mass of the metal is 35.55 kilograms. Let us describe the accuracy and precision of the measurements of each student. As a review, accuracy, it's more about correctness. It's all about how our measurement is correct or is close to the true value. On the other hand, precision is more on consistency. It's all about how our measurements are consistent or close to each other. Let's start with the measurement of Carl. The first thing, let's get the average of all his measurement. So here are the different measurements. So this is the first trial, trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, and trial 4. Let's get the average of all the measurements. That's 41.25 plus 41.20 plus 41.23, 23 plus 41.22. Divide it by 4. The average is 41.23. That's 41.23. As you see here, this measurement is very far from the true value, so it's not correct. So this measurement is not accurate. Not accurate. But as you see here, the measurements are consistent. The measurements are close to each other. So we can say this measurement is precise. Let's go to the measurement of Diane. So here, let's get the average first. We have 35.55 plus 35.53 plus 35.56 plus 35.54. Get the average. The average is 35.55. 35.55, and as you see, this is correct, or this is close or equal to the true value. Therefore, this one is accurate. And as you see here, the values are consistent. The values are close to each other. So we can say this measurement is also precise. Let's go to the measurement of Wayne. Let's get the average first. 37.55 plus 39.45 plus 35.45 plus 42.01 plus again 42.01. The average is equal to 38.62. So 38.62. This is very far from the true value. Therefore, this one is not correct. This one is not accurate. And as you see here, the measurements are also not consistent. The measured values are not close to each other. For example, we have 35 and then the highest is 42. So it's very far from each other. This one is also not precise. Let's go to the measurement of Isabel. Get the average first. 37.55 plus 36.45 plus 34.69 plus 33.55 divided by 4. The average is 35.56. So 35.56. It's very close to the true value. Therefore, her measurement is accurate. But as you observe here, her measurements is not that close. We have the lowest is this one and the highest is 37.55. So the measurements are not consistent. It is not close to each other. Therefore, this one is not precise.